Well, hello everybody. The adventure is back. Today we're going to be exploring nature again. But not only on the porch. We're on exploring my yard. Yeah. But I'm not going to go in the grass though because I'm going to get eaten by a snake because the grass is too large. Oh god. I'm just gonna, oh god, okay, that's an ant pile. I stepped in an ant pile. God, I'm jumping so that the ants can go off my feet. Oh God. Today we're gonna be exploring my yard, and here's my car. I did my grandfather's truck. Here's my other grandfather's truck. If you guys didn't believe me, I had a Mustang. Do you think I have a Mustang? Comment right now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have a Mustang. Here it is. It's a 2017. Yeah, but we're not looking at that today. We're going to be looking at nature. Nature matters more than stupid cars. Okay. Yeah. So today, that's some beautiful grass. What if a spider's in there? Well, I don't care about spiders. I don't care about spiders. I'm not scared of spiders. I don't have a fear of spiders. My fear is the wasps. Yeah, I'm scared of spiders, but not as much as wasps because when I was a kid I got stung by a wasp. I never forgot that on my hand. It was like somewhere on my hand. It was like right there, right on my hand. Actually, my iPad is upside down. I don't know why. Actually, okay, now it's upside down now. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah, this is nature. Very beautiful bush right there. Yeah, so very beautiful nature over there. Just ignore that. Just ignore that right there. Just a beautiful nature. I mean, just don't listen to me. Okay, I'm gonna turn up my volume. Just listen to the sounds. That's nature, baby. Listen to the sounds of nature. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. But I gotta stop recording because I have to go in because it's too hot right now. It's too hot right now, so I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, there's a fly on me. Go away. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go back in because it's very hot outside. It's like over here where I'm at. It's like I don't know. It's like 95 degrees out here actually. I don't know.